Hello, you guys. Happy Friday. Happy Feature Friday, as I say every week. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Betsy, and I am a realtor here in the Denver metro area. And on Fridays, I come through and I feature a different property. We get to go in, we get to see what basically what our money buys us in different neighborhoods. We get to kind of just take a look at it from a buyer's lens, be a little bit nosy, which is my favorite. I have hair everywhere. And for some reason, I've got a weird thing with my voice. So we get Betsy that sounds like maybe a young male going through puberty. So there you go, that's me. I had to record this one because I didn't have very good cell service, and it's such an important one that I want you guys to be able to not miss anything about it. It is so cute. And so what I'm gonna do is let's just get going, because it's like such a great house. And again, I don't want you to miss any of it. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so as I do every week, my favorite is to be live, because I want you guys to be able to jump on, come in. I come in, I literally stand at the front door, and we get to see it together. Yes, I have seen it on the pictures online, but I just even need to show you guys the lighting in this house and the detail. So, okay, a little bit about it. This one is over in the Westerly neighborhood in Erie. So it's just off of Erie Parkway and County Road 5, kind of over by the Erie High School. So this house was built in 2023, and it is listed at 1.425. Beautiful home. The detail in these Westerly homes and in this one are amazing. So the Westerly neighborhood, look at these, the lighting here, you guys, and then just the paneling, and then it has the little a lip, so you could set things on and rest it there, but you walk in and it's open there, and there's such a beautiful entryway. Okay, so the Westerly neighborhood is like a resort area neighborhood. It started in 2021, and so they started building then. They're still building. The swimming pool, the whole community is amazing, because it has swimming pools, it has fitness center, pickleball courts, it has a dog park, it will have cafes and restaurants. Oh my gosh, look how cute this room, and look how how tall the ceilings are and how big the windows are. The flooring is amazing. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath ranch with finished basement, 3-car garage, and it is 5,000 square feet. How cute. So this room has its own ensuite, closet here. Let's kind of come through. I know we just saw the office, which I was just talking so much about the neighborhood. This neighborhood has a fitness center. I'll even post, I took a picture of the large Christmas tree that they have up and lit in the neighborhood. Look at this, oh my gosh. Just coming in here, and just how beautiful this is. The photos online do not do it justice at all. It is gorgeous and grand. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And then that carries through. Oh, and then it has the blue into the kitchen backsplash. Oh my gosh, and look how huge that island is. Okay, we're gonna get there in a minute. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Okay, so coming in this way, you have laundry here. This utility sink. I mean, it looks like it's beautiful. Then coming over here, you have the half bath for guests, coat closet. Actually, this might be linen closet. Yep, linen closet. Now, if you look like coming this way and you look across like where you go down to the basement, the primary is on the main floor. So it looks, but it's also, the laundry room is linked to the primary. So we're gonna go the other way because like I think that's through the closet, and I want you guys to see the primary. Like look at these, like the built-ins next to the TV and the fireplace. So pretty. Okay, so coming over here, I really like, okay, one of the things that we have so much fun with in doing these is just the decor, and see how they have identical pieces on both sides. And if you can kind of see same artwork, they have the lighting, and it's identical because it's an identical space, and it really just kind of ties everything together. It's so beautiful. And so here's the primary. Huge windows. Looks like there's the blinds. Now, this house is only 2 years old, so, and they're still building in here. But one of the things that is so nice is that you're not gonna have all of the first time, like the first year work throughs that you're gonna have to do on a new build. You're gonna automatically already have the window treatments in place that fit and that work. Beautiful. Okay, so separate vanity. Ooh, Sandiland soaker tub. Okay, let's see what the shower. Love it. I'm actually gonna zoom this out since I'm recording. I can do that and not just live. All right, and toilet. Can we not talk about how beautiful it is outside today? Okay, look at this closet. So large walk-in closet here, and then again, we circle back to the laundry. Like, incredible. Okay, let's go over, before we go downstairs, we're gonna finish this main level. So again, this house is 5,000 square feet. Look how grand this is. Like, it's huge, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Like, I love like the little cabinet. It's probably like a little coffee bar here. But then you have like this whole section back here too, like the whole home center, and tall cabinets. Look how beautiful that is. Come through. And again, I love how the island is a different color. It gives it, and it matches even the walls, and it pulls it all in. Then there's this beautiful dining room area here. Love how they did this. And then you can kind of even see, so the backyard is not large. It's very low maintenance. Great covered patio here. It does have the expandable wall here with screens. So look how beautiful that is. And then even just a stamped patio that extends over. So very low maintenance. Great space. Okay, let's see, what else am I missing up here before we go downstairs and see that? Let's see. Oh, pantry, we got to see pantry. Pantry, very nice. Little coat closet, center. It's almost like a double pantry, but this is more of like storage, utility pieces. Okay, let's take a look at the garage. So it is a 3-car tandem garage there. So very nice and very tall. So you could even do extra storage up high. Very nice. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna go downstairs and see that space. What a cool water bowl for the dog. Like, how cool is that? Again, we get to kind of see what we've got. Okay, so let's head downstairs. I love how wide the staircase is. The ceilings are extremely tall. Great space. Okay, we're not gonna go over that way yet. All right, okay, hold on. So much to see. Oh my gosh, it loops around. Okay, so bedroom here. And this looks like it's queen size. And look at all the extra space around. Like super great spacious room. Okay, let's go over here. Full bathroom, shower, toilet, and can be easily closed off so that you can still have this counter space here, double vanity. Okay, then coming around here, this large living area. Such a great space, so much you could do down here, and I love what they've even done with what they've got in play area. I bet this is storage over here, so let's take a look. Yep, and it's actually really good size. Like, it's a really, really good size storage room. Probably has a sump pump, radon, all of that in there. So tons of storage, and then there's probably storage here underneath the stairs. Yep, more storage there. So there's no shortage of storage. Let's see what's over here. More storage. Look at this, you guys. It does have a whole house water softener. It has solar. It also has a Tesla charger with dual battery. It does, okay, I already said the whole home water purification. It's smart integrated. An amazing house. And again, for those that were coming in and catching later, oh, look at this full bedroom here. This is another great size. These rooms are really good sized. With its own ensuite, it could be your guest room, it could be your older child's room. So 2 full bathrooms down here, walk-in closet here. Like, amazing, amazing house. Like, how beautiful. Like, all of the details is so beautiful to come in and see this. They, the sellers are offering concessions and rate buy down with the right offer. And it's an amazing location right off of the highway, close to downtown Erie. You can take your e-bikes, there's trails, like resort living, and beautiful home. So, okay, please, if there is a house that you are interested in, that you see that's for sale, that you have questions about, your neighbor's house, and you're like, Betsy, what's going on with this house? I want to know. Let's get in and be nosy together. So thanks for hanging out with me this Friday, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday. Bye.